Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Ps5 firmware is up to date and your router broadcasts a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next, physically position the Ps5 closer to the router to reduce interference. Thick walls and microwaves kill 5 GHz range. Once done, log into your router admin page and confirm the 5 GHz SSID is enabled and visible. Finally, have the network password and SSID names handy so you can switch networks quickly during setup. You now connect. Go to Settings, Network, set up Internet connection, and scan for wireless networks. Select the 5 GHz SSID and enter the password. Choose Custom if you need to set a static IP, MTU, or specific DNS. Make sure NAT type stays open by reserving the Ps5 IP in the router and forwarding required ports if you use custom NAT. Once connected, run console internet connection test to verify download/upload and NAT status, and note signal strength for optimization. You finish by verifying real-world performance. Test game downloads, streaming, and party chat while checking for lag spikes. If you see disconnects or weak throughput, log back into the router and change the 5 GHz channel to a less congested one, enable Co-S to prioritize your Ps5, or reduce channel width from 80 MHz to 40 MHz. If problems persist, fall back to wired Ethernet or a USB cellular 5G modem. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle both router and Ps5.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.